from G. Trilliana of Business Malaya. Yung tanong niya, what are your career plans for this year and what is your opinion about love teams?
Well, sobrang dami po akong plans for this year and the next few years pa po. Siyempre, gusto ko pong ma-challenge yung sarili ko in terms of acting. And I want to, kumbaga, mag-grow pa po in terms of my performer side. Gusto ko po talaga na ma-master ko yung craft ko this year. So, mas marami po akong mga ginagawang trainings. I'm planning to do more workshops, more classes para po sa dancing, singing, and acting. Ayun. And my opinion on love teams, kasi po, ano yan each to their own. Siyempre kung saan komportable yung isang artista. But personally, when I was younger, gusto ko talaga na, I wanna do everything solo. Pero ngayon po, I'm open to everything. Kasi gusto ko talaga pong matuto pa and maging versatile talaga. Ayun.
That's great to hear, lalo na sa already an all-around performer like you. Kumbaga, you're committed to progressing, improving your craft this year as well. Okay, there's a follow-up question though, Jillian, on the second part of that question. So, you and Eman are currently being shipped. Are you willing to star in a project with them?
If that means na mas lagi kami magkikita, siguro,
Uy.
yes.
Hoy! Teka lang!
Well, syempre, open po ako. Syempre, open po ako and sobrang bait niya po eh. As in, kahit this morning, he texted me na kumusta siya. So, if I'd be working with somebody that's supportive, why not? Diba? Yeah.
Gusto ko pa sana mag-follow up pero hindi muna. Okay. Bibigyan lang ko yung sarili ko. Alright. Next question is from Miss DJ Yoko Chang of TikTok PH.
Hi Jillian, congratulations. Tanong ko lang, sa dami ng role na nagawa mo, sa tingin mo, ano pa ba yung ibang role na pwede mong gawin na mapakita pa yung ibang mong talent or ibang kakayahan mo?
Siguro po a character na merong disability to raise awareness or something that talks about mental health din po since advocate po ko for mental health. Kasi malaking responsibility rin po yun na magbigay ng ganong klaseng role sa isang artista. And I think magiging challenging po siya for me and magiging boses din po ako para sa mga tao na hindi nila, kumbaga, na-explain yung mga sarili nila. So, yun po yung gusto ko din maging contribution ko sa industry, not just to entertain people, but to raise awareness and be a voice for other people. So, ganun po mga roles.
That's really good. And one more question, sa dami mong ginawa, bata ka pa, artista ka na, sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka-proud moment mo or nagawa mong greatest achievement mo in life?
Greatest achievement in life? Siguro po yung pinapatuloy ko lang po yung ginagawa ko. Kahit ano pong criticism na binabato sa akin or fake issues man yan or kung ano man po yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao sa social media or sometimes the news. Kasi sa akin po, sobrang binavalue ko lang talaga yung work ko. So, andun lang talaga yung focus ko po ngayon. Like, minsan, hindi na po nga nagbabasa ng comments kasi iniisip ko, ayoko na po magpa-apekto doon dahil ang nagmamatter sa akin is yung mga shows ko, yung may mga napapasaya ko. So I think yun po yung pagiging resilient ko din and being brave, especially this year and last year.
Thank you, Miss DJ. Next, we have Sir Bernie Franco from PEP.
Hi, Jillian. Grabe na 16 years as in homegrown kapuso. No? Alam mo, markado yung pagiging child star mo now that you are a woman sa family. Paano mo gustong makilala at this new stage of your career?
Well, gusto ko po kasi talagang makilala po ko bilang isang artist na tinatanggap niya po kahit ano yung challenges na binibigay sa kanya. Kahit anong challenging role po yan, basta po may mabigay sa akin na project, magawa ko po na maganda at may exceed ko po yung expectations ng mga tao sa akin. And I want to be remembered as somebody who doesn't give up and an artist na is not only doing it for the art but an artist who raises their voice for things that matter.
Okay. Sige, in relation to that, no, you also represent the Gen Z women. Sabi nga, ikaw yung star of the new generation. No? So ano yung, kasi yung 16 years as a celebrity, as an artist, may ups and downs yan. So at this stage of your life, of your career, paano mo gustong i-represent yung mga advocacies mo? Ano yung mga advocacies or yung gusto mo i-represent now that you're a woman?
Ayun po, especially last year kasi po, ang gusto ko kasing message din na mabigay, especially to young women, is wag po silang matakot to speak up, to be brave, and to go for what they want. Kahit ano po yung sinasabi ng mga tao sa kanila, as long as you're not hurting anyone, as long as you know yourself, you should be confident and do what you love, reach for your dreams, and raise your voice for other people din. Kumbaga, do more research also, gain more knowledge to help other people and to help yourself. And ayun lang po, to be brave and resilient, especially for young women.
Thank you, Sir Bernie. Next, we have Sir Alan Policarpio from the Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Hey Jillian, congratulations. In relation lang din sa tanong niya, so what do you think yung ma-advise mo for young women who may be experiencing din disrespect, or, especially online with the way they express themselves, the way they dress? Ikaw, paano mo yun hinahandle and ano yung mabibigay mo sa kanilang advice?
Ayun nga po, especially recently, nakakalungkot kasi 2026 na and some people won't let other people, especially women, express themselves in the way that they want to express themselves. Kasi ako naniniwala po, as long as you're not hurting anyone, do what you want. Wear whatever you want. And yun din po, sana, it's 2026. I hope that we view women for their talents, their intelligence, kung ano yung contributions nila dito sa mundo, and not just with what they wear. Kumbaga, let people be, each to their own po yan eh. Just express yourself the way that you want to express yourself, and parang stop worrying about other people judging you. Ang importante, wala ka nasasaktan and you're happy.
And are there women in your life or in the industry that you really look up to, and may mga memorable lessons ba sila sa'yo that really help you through life into your career as an actress?
Siyempre po, of course, my mom, siya talaga yung biggest role model ko po, and my late grandmother. Kasi sobrang dami po nila mga pinagdaanan. Pero hindi sila nag-give up. Kaya din po siguro, ganito po yung drive ko in life. Kasi nakita ko po yun sa mother ko. And ito po, hindi bola rin ha. Siyempre, my female bosses. Kasi kami po mga artista, syempre we face a lot of judgments, criticism. What more sila po na they're carrying the whole network. But kasi po sobrang light lang po ng energy nila eh. And that's what inspires me to keep on going and to be proud and confident na isa akong babae and I can do whatever I want. I'm talented, I'm blessed, and I am loved. Yun kasi po yung nakikita ko sa kanila. So nag-reflect din po yun sa akin. Yun yung na-absorb ko from them. Ayun.
And thank you, Julia, and congratulations again.
Thank you, Sir Alan. Those are great answers, by the way, from Jillian. Next, let's have Sir Roman Gonzalez of Pep and Hataw Tabloid.
Hi Jill, congratulations. My first question is, para sa'yo, ano ang best part of being a loyal kapuso?
Siyempre po yung naging family ko na po talaga sila. I mean, pag pumupunta po ako dito sa GMA, kilala ko na po silang lahat dito talaga. Parang pangalawang bahay ko na po siya. And of course, yung may trust po ako sa kanila at may tiwala din po sila sa akin. Kasi yun po yung mga bagay na hindi po talaga nababayaran sa buhay. Especially yung respect. Grabe po talaga yung respect na pinaparamdam po nila sa akin and yung support po nila na pag may gusto po akong gawin sa career ko, kinakausap ko lang po sila, ina-express ko yung sarili ko. And the next day, ayun na po, may action na po agad silang ginagawa para po, kumbaga, matupad ko po yung mga dreams ko bilang isang artista and bilang isang tao in general.
Yes. And for my last question, sa dami ng nakatrabaho mo na, sino pa yung gusto mong makatrabaho na never mo pang nakatrabahong artista?
Wow. Hindi ko alam po.
Ang hirap nung
Hindi,
never kung
ang-
16 years ka na dito, no?
Ang hirap po. Well, gusto ko po kasi maka-work lahat eh. Kasi gusto ko pong matuto from them. Siguro po hindi ko muna masasagot yan, pero siguro po, ayun, hello po GMA, sana maka-work ko po lahat. Amen. Maka-work ko po silang lahat kasi, ayun din po, I pray na sumobrang haba pa po yung career ko, maka-work ko po lahat ng mga artista from all generations. Ayun.
Yes, especially may collab na ang 2 stations.
Yes,
diba?
yes
So,
po.
possible.
Opo.
Thank you and
Thank you po.
congratulations, Jill.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Romel. And last, we have Miss Jessica Evangelista from Inquirer.net.
Hi Jillian, congratulations. So isa lang yung tanong ko, magre-release ka ng single ngayon, di ba? And can you tell us more about it? And ano yung enjoyment na nabibigay sa'yo ng pagkanta na possibly hindi mo nakukuha sa pag-arte?
About the song, nung una po kasi siyang binigay sa akin, may lyrics na siya. Pero ang ginawa ko, nirevise ko yung ibang mga lyrics para mas ma-express ko talaga yung nararamdaman ko, mas ma-express ko yung sarili ko. So, marami po akong naging revision sa song na yun. And I think, nagko-correlate din po yun sa tanong ninyo na ano yung joy na nabibigay sa akin ng singing na, kumbaga, hindi nabibigay ng acting po, no? Pero I think kasi pag nagpe-perform po ako or kumakanta ako, ang na-express ko po talaga is yung sarili ko, hindi character sa isang show. So, abangan nyo na lang po yung song, basta yung mga nirevise kong lyrics doon, yun yung nararamdaman ko recently. Yung coming soon.
Okay, so may pa-preview pala dun sa song na yun, ano, nung current state mo, Jillian.
Yes.
Tama. Okay. Jillian, thank you so much. Maraming salamat din po sa mga kaibigan natin mula sa media. And thank you all for joining us here. Muli po, round of applause for the star of the new gen, Miss Jillian Ward. Congratulations, Jillian, on renewing your ties and solidifying your ties here in GMA. But before we wrap it up, let us acknowledge first another GMA